Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to remind you to put together a compelling Black Friday Cyber Monday offer. Black Friday Cyber Monday is the biggest sale of the year, and there are a lot of businesses competing for your customers' attention. In order to stand out from the crowd, not only do you have to plan well in advance, you also have to craft an offer that's enticing enough that it doesn't get lost in the sea of deals being presented by both your direct and indirect competition. So what makes an offer enticing? Well, the most obvious answer is huge savings. When companies are offering 40 or 50% off, offering your customers a 5 or 10% discount isn't going to get anyone excited. But massive price cuts aren't your only option. Another great tool you can leverage to build your offer is exclusivity. If your sale includes limited savings, maybe you can also offer a free gift with purchase, something that's only available for a limited period of time and that your customers will be afraid of missing out on. Another tool you can leverage is social good. Consider donating a portion of your Black Friday Cyber Monday profits to a worthy cause. This gives your customers something to feel good about and gives you a unique way to market your Black Friday Cyber Monday sale in a way that your competition might not be doing. When you're crafting your perfect offer, I will warn you not to make it too restrictive. If you limit your offer to very specific products or only certain cart sizes, you risk confusing and alienating a lot of potential customers. The best thing to do is create a very broad or even store-wide offer and promote it heavily throughout this season. If you need help crafting your Black Friday Cyber Monday offer, I encourage you to book a free strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a free strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.